Zendesk waits 24 hours after a ticket is solved before sending a customer satisfaction survey. By then, your customer has moved on, the experience has faded, and response rates suffer. Switching to an immediate survey trigger takes 10 minutes and can significantly boost your CSAT response rates. Here's how. Out of the box, Zendesk uses an automation called Request Customer Satisfaction Rating that fires 24 hours after solving a ticket. Automations are time-based and run on a schedule. Triggers are event-based and fire instantly. Replacing that automation with a trigger means your customer gets the survey while the experience is still fresh. Before you start, confirm these 4 things. You need a Zendesk Professional or Enterprise plan with CSAT enabled. You need admin access to modify automations and create triggers. CSAT must be turned on under Admin Center, Objects and Rules, Business Rules, Satisfaction, and you should know whether your account uses custom ticket statuses, as that affects your condition field choice. This step is critical. Go to Admin Center, then Business Rules, then Automations, and find Request Customer Satisfaction Rating System Automation. Click the 3-dot menu and select Deactivate. If you skip this step, customers will get duplicate surveys, one from your new trigger immediately, and another from the automation 24 hours later. Navigate to Admin Center, then Business Rules, then Triggers, and click Add Trigger. Give it a clear name like Request Satisfaction on Solve or Send CSAT Survey Immediately. Add a description for other admins explaining what this does and why the default automation was deactivated. Under Meet All Conditions, add 2 rules. First, ticket status category change to solved, or just status change to solved if you don't use custom statuses. Second, ticket satisfaction is unoffered. That second condition is the one that prevents duplicate surveys if a ticket is reopened and solved again later. Add 2 actions. First, ticket satisfaction set to offered to requester. This marks the survey as sent, so it won't fire again. Second, notify by user email targeting the requester. In the email body, you must include the placeholder satisfaction.rating_ section in double curly braces. That placeholder inserts the actual survey buttons into the email. Your CSAT email should be short and personal. Use the requester's first name, reference their specific ticket number and subject, ask one clear question about their experience, then drop in the satisfaction rating placeholder. Keep it conversational and brand consistent. The easier it is to respond, the more people actually will. Create a test ticket using your own email address as the requester, then solve it. You should receive the satisfaction survey email within 1 to 2 minutes. Click the survey link, submit a rating, and verify the ticket's satisfaction field updates correctly. Check the ticket event log to confirm the trigger fired without errors. Once the basic trigger works, consider conditional surveys. Use tag-based conditions to only survey certain ticket types. Exclude internal organization tickets. Survey only email or chat channels, not phone. For urgent or complex issues where customers need time to verify a fix, build a separate automation with a 4-hour delay instead of instant delivery. Collecting CSAT feedback is just the first step. If you're getting hundreds of responses, reading every comment manually becomes impossible. Eesel AI connects to your Zendesk account and analyzes CSAT comments at scale, automatically identifying recurring themes, sentiment trends, and emerging problems your team might otherwise miss, turning raw feedback into actionable coaching. Switching from Zendesk's default 24-hour automation to an immediate trigger is one of the fastest wins in customer feedback. Disable the automation, build the trigger, and watch your CSAT response rates improve. When you're ready to understand your feedback at scale, Eesel AI is waiting at eesel.ai.